Hey, hello, and welcome. We are going to be looking at Canva's 3D elements today. I've opened a blank design for you, and on the left-hand menu, click on Elements, scroll down to the bottom, and you will find the 3D section. Click on See All, and it opens up the different sections that they have. We're going to type in Halloween, so we're using a keyword to find an element. Type in a keyword, and Canva will find a 3D element for you. Making it a bit bigger, just so we can see it properly. And I'm going to look for a Halloween background just to go behind it. So I'll type in Halloween background. You can add a graphic behind, but you need to expand it. It doesn't automatically adjust to the size of the background like a graphic, like an image does. So I've set an image into the background. Now we can rotate our 3D element going around and around from all different directions. No more flat static graphics. You can create these amazing 3D elements. I'm going to have a look at what else is in here just to show you what other 3D elements we now have in Canva. Lots of different sections, icons, characters, food and lifestyle, creative, animals and nature. There's loads in here, and they are all like this. They look very lifelike, and you can rotate them 360 degrees. It's absolutely fantastic. I love the Canva. It's pointing one way. I might want it pointing the other way, so it works better in my design. I can now do that. I can rotate them. Let's see what else we've got. We've got work and education, we've got seasonal and events. So if you're creating Christmas graphics, Halloween graphics, you can use 3D elements in them now. I love this blue blob, star-shaped blob. I think it's really cool, and I can rotate it as much as I want. So the 3D elements in Canva are definitely worth going and having a look at because they are really, really good. And you can treat them like any other element. You can change the transparency as well. You can reset the rotation as well. If you've rotated it and it's not quite right, you can reset it, and you can also animate them. Aren't they awesome?